In this tutorial, we are building a journey which will add record to Airtable based on the new Typeform responses. So let's start. Select Typeform as a trigger. Then choose New Response Form as trigger event. Click on Create New Connection. Enter name for the connection and click on Link an Account. Accept the conditions to establish the connection. Select Appropriate Form. In Steps, we have to add record in Airtable. Select Airtable in Steps. Choose Create Record as action. Click on Create New Connection and click on Link an Account. Add connection name. For API key, go to Airtable account. Copy API key. For app ID, go to the link in the description. Select the product. Copy app ID from URL. Add table name. Then click on Link an Account to establish the connection. Now we have to add table specific details. Add app ID and table name. For record ID, go to Table. Select any cell and copy URL. Paste it and remove unnecessary part. Add data from the app tree. Now we are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check output, go to the Typeform. Submit a response. Go to the Journey Builder to check our journey execution. You see, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Airtable. Select Product ID. We can see our record is updated with Typeform response. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to Airtable record based on the Typeform response. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation workflow journeys, visit quickwork.co.